Ayan po mga
Nabibide.
good morning po. Ayan po, nasa Sydney International Airport po ako on the way to my destination going
Hey, you
to
wanna
the
try to
Philippines
change?
po. Ayan po, habang ako'y naglalakad, kasabay ko po ang aking pamangkin na si Elanie. Kami po'y papunta sa...
Then you can change from your card. Yes.
I'll do in the Philippines.
I think you can use your card to change. Or you wanna go in the Philippines.
Yeah, Philippines.
But then you have to withdraw first in the Philippines. You better withdraw here if you want. Hey, here. You wanna see LV? Bulgari, Katia. We still have heaps of time. Ang ganda ng ano, no? Style. Bakit kaya ano, pagka nasa airport ka, lahat ng mamahalin nasa doon, ano? Like all the expensive perfume, bags, everything. Oh, gate, see. It show there. Where? The other side. Gate 50 there on this side. Dior, see? There, 50 to 63. Laki, no? Hermes.
Hello?
Oh no, what is that?
Ugh,
Oh, look at that.